Hello everyone, I am Sarita Singh, maths teacher. Today I will discuss about the irrational numbers. At the first I am going to discuss about the decimals in short term. After that we will discuss about the irrational and how to prove that the number is an irrational number. Let's start decimal. When any rational numbers convert the decimal form, there are two types of decimals. First, terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. And the second, non-terminating decimals. What is terminating decimals? In order to convert rational numbers having finite numbers of digits after the decimal points. For examples, 5 by 2. When divides 5 by 2, we get 2.5. And 7 by 5, take another example, 7 by 5. When divides 7 by 5, we get 1.4. It is clear that after point, the digits are finite. And after point or after decimal, the digits are finite. These types of decimals are known as terminating decimals. What is non-terminating decimals? Non-terminating decimals are two types. Repeating. Non-terminating decimals repeating. There are two types. Repeating decimals and non-repeating. What is repeating decimal? Repeating decimals are two types. Pure repeating and a mixed repeating. What is pure repeating and a mixed repeating? Pure repeating, a decimal in which all the digits after the decimals point are repeated. These types of decimals are known as pure repeating decimals. For examples, 1 by 3. When divides 1 by 3, we get 0.333 ... Another examples, 2 by 3. When divides 2 by 3, we get 0.6666. It is clear that after decimal, the same numbers are repeated and after decimal 6 are repeated. It is clear that pure repeating decimals. And what is mixed repeating? A decimal in which at least one of the digits after the decimal point is not repeated and then some digits are repeated. These types of decimals are known as mixed decimals. For examples, 2.1666 ... are 2.16 bar. Another examples, 0.355 are 0.35 bar. And in these examples, it is clear that what is non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals are two types, repeating decimal and non-repeating decimals. And now I am going to discuss about the irrational numbers. What is irrational numbers? Irrational numbers. What is irrational number? A number is an irrational number. A number is an irrational numbers if it has non-terminating and non-repeating and non-repeating decimal representations. For examples, 0.32561625 ... These expressions are non-terminating decimals. And second, we suppose numbers. Let m be the integer. It is not a perfect square, then it is an irrational. Let m be an integer when m is not perfect square, then it is an irrational. For example, 2 under root 2. 2 is not a perfect square. It is a irrational number. Under root 5, under root 7, under root 11 and so on. Let m be an integer when m is not perfect square, then under root m is an irrational numbers. For examples, root 2, root 5, root 7, root 11 are also irrational numbers. Discuss about how to prove that any numbers are irrational. Theorem. Prove that under root 2 is an irrational numbers. At the first, we suppose root 2 is a rational number, then contradictions arises. After that, root 2 is an irrational. Now, if be possible, then we suppose let under root 2 be a rational numbers, be a rational numbers, then we can write under root 2 is equal to a upon b, where a and b are integer having no common factor other than 1. It is clear that root 2 is a by b, where a and b are integer having no common factor other than 1. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Square of under root 2 is 2 and square of a is a square and square of b is b square. This implies that 2b square is equal to a square. This implies that 2 divides 2b square. So 2 also divides a square. 2 divides a square. This implies that 2 divides a. Since 2 divides 2b square. 2 divides 2b square. Since 2 is prime number and 2 divides, therefore 2 divides a square. This implies that 2 divides a. Let a is equal to 2c. Putting this value in these equations, let a is equal to 2c. Putting this value in first, we get 2b square is equal to square of 2c. This implies that 2b square is equal to 4c square. This implies that b square is equal to 2 to the 4, cancel out, then we get 2c square. Here 2 divides 2c square. Therefore 2 is also divides the b square. 2 divides b square. This implies that 2 divides b. Here 2 divides 2c square. 2 is prime numbers. 2 divides 2b square. This implies that 2 divides b. Thus, 2 is a common factor of a and b. 2 is a common factor of a and b because 2 divides a and 2 divides b. Therefore, 2 is a common factor of a and b. Thus, 2 is a common factor of a and b. But this contradiction the fact that the fact that a and b have no common factor other than 1. The contradictions arises by the contradictions arises by assumptions that root 2 is rational. Hence under root 2 is irrational. Look at here. 2 is divides a and 2 divides b. Therefore, 2 is a common factor of a and b both. But above the conditions, we suppose a upon b where a and b are integer having no common factor other than 1. Therefore, contradictions arises root 2 is rational numbers. Hence, root 2 is an irrational numbers. We give the some questions for practice. Prove that under root 3, under root 5, under root 11 and under root n is an irrational number where n is an integer and 3, 5, 11 are also integers. Your homework. How to prove the root 3 is irrational number and the root 5 is irrational number. See the how to prove the root 2 is irrational number. Similar rule for the root 3 and root 5 and root 11. Thanks.